Vienna, Missouri, whiteout conditions. Can't even see the road over there, but it's coming down pretty hard. You can see the road over there completely covered, gravel's covered. This is concrete here. Even though it was warm yesterday, it has no problem sticking. And probably got close to an inch of accumulations. So yeah, it's coming down good, guys. Up to a couple inches possible, maybe locally more. There are some embedded thunderstorms in this snowstorm, so if you want to call it a snowstorm, I mean, it's coming down good, but got to get back to work. Coming down hard. Peace. Update. Here's what the snow looks like. A few inches on the ground. Highways are covered. You got plows out. It was 60 degrees today. Yesterday, my bad. Now look at today. Yeah, everything's snow covered. Luckily they just plowed the highway, but you can see where he's turning around. It's completely snow covered. He's turning around. He just got done with this plow. Vienna, Missouri. Loud, but I will update you if I see any dicey ones. Pretty good snowfall today, guys. Ooh, can't. Lots of snow. I got the Dixon and I'm about to pull up to the house. And what do you know? My poor kids. 30 minutes away from work. And look at that. Not even a trace of snow on the ground. Let me clean my camera. Oh, that is bull crap. No snowmen for these kids. There ain't nothing on the ground. If they're lucky, maybe I'll take them to Vienna tomorrow. Let them build a snowman. But yeah, that's Missouri weather for you. Ain't nothing here. Peace.